Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video you will get insight in the both the technical and fundamental situation in addition to future price prediction of Tesla. So guys, please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. So guys, our system currently ranked the Tesla stock. The stock has had a loss of minus 2.30%. This is an average return of minus 0.26% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates where Tesla, our last headline reads on Thursday, Tesla stock price gained impressive 7.43% and the Tesla stock price gained 7.43% on the last trading day. Thursday rising from $658.80 and to $707.73 and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor breakup for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 9.95% from a day low at $653.66 to a day high of $718.67. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a minus 2.78% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and in total 5 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total 35 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $24.94 million in the last 52 weeks. So guys, the highest price of the stock was $1,243.49 and the lowest price was $571.22. Right now the price is 43.09% or $535.76 below 52-week high at $1,243.49, which is also all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signal. The current 3 months trend indicates a possible minus 14.42% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 24.58% or 26%. The 12 months trend, it indicates a 28% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 14.53% and 154.47%. This equals a price between $810.56 and $1,800.94 after a year. Analyst ratings and price target from analyst. Tesla stock received a general strong buy rating. The analyst give P ratio a strong buy and the price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investments, the analyst give a Tesla stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Tesla. We will start with a general picture before we move on of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stocks. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, and so far it has risen 12.67%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Tesla stocks hold up a signal from the short-term moving average at the same time. However, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the on further gain. The stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $861.20. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $678.96. So a breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence MCD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average, convergence and divergence hold a sell signal. Pivot give up buy signal 3 days ago, and Bellinger give a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave up a signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave up by signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave up by signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving average gave up by signal 20 days ago. Remember to go to our page at Stock Invest. So guys, Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $674.90, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day volatility and with a very large prediction interval from the bowling urban. This stock is considered to be a very high risk during the last day. The stock moved $65.01 between high and low, or 9.95%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.66%. Let's us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading level for Tesla. The price to earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per share earnings. Tesla currently has a price earning ratio of 239.71. This is an extremely high price earning ratio and could mean that a company, a stock, is overvalued. These kinds of price earning ratio are typical or tech companies or companies that have extreme market potentials. Here are some possible good day trading level. On an upturn, Tesla meets first resistance at $728. If you do not hold Tesla share, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your belt. We expect Tesla to open down negative $14.38 and start trading at $693.35. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon Stock Investment US by using information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decision. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.